Yo AutoAce fam, if you own a Honda ADV 160 or you're planning to buy one in 2026, this video is for you. Today, we break down the real maintenance costs in the Philippines, plus important service tips to keep your ADV running smooth for years. Para walang aberya, walang sirain at walang gastos na hindi kailangan. Let's go! Oil change every 2,500 to 3,000 kilometers. Honda Genuine Oil 250 to 280 pesos. Labor 50 to 100 pesos. Total 300 to 380 pesos. Tip: use 10W30 or 10W40 fully synthetic if you want smoother performance. Gear oil every 6,000 kilometers. Price 50 to 70 pesos. Labor, free or 30 pesos. Total, 50 to 100 pesos. CVT cleaning, every 8,000 to 12,000 kilometers. Labor, 350 to 600 pesos. Optional parts, roller weights at 250 to 400 pesos. Drive belt, 800 to 1,200 pesos. Grease and cleaning materials, 100 to 150 pesos. Total estimate, 400 to 2,000 pesos, depending if parts needs replacement. Air filter replacement every 12,000 kilometers. Price, 220 to 300 pesos. Labor, 0 to 100. A total of 220 to 400 pesos. Tip: replace earlier if dusty yung area mo or lagi ka sa construction roads. Brake pad replacement at front. OEM pads, 300 to 450 pesos. Labor, 100 to 150 pesos. Total, 400 to 600 pesos. For brake pad replacement at rear, OEM pads, 200 to 350 pesos. For the labor, 80 to 120 pesos. A total of 280 to 470 pesos. Spark plug every 12,000 to 15,000 kilometers. Price, 120 to 200. Labor, 50 only. Total, 170 to 250. Drive belt every 20,000 to 25,000 kilometers. OEM belt around 900 to 1,200. For the labor, 200 to 300. A total of 1,100 to 1,500. Coolant change every 24,000 kilometers or 2 years. Coolant, 150 to 250 pesos. Labor, 100. A total of 250 to 350. A typical ADV 160 rider spends 2,500 to 4,000 per year. Depends on mileage plus CVT cleaning. Cheaper than many underbone and even cheaper than Aerox parts. Issue number 1. Stiff rear suspension. To fix, adjust preload, replace with aftermarket YSS or RCB if needed. Issue 2. Stock seat gets warm. To fix it, add a mesh seat cover, 300 to 600 pesos. Helps airflow and prevents heat build up. Issue 3. CVT jerking or vibration. Clean CVT every 8 to 10k kilometers. Use proper grease. Replace worn rollers or clutch lining. Issue 4. Weak horn. To fix, upgrade to snail horn, 300 to 600 pesos. Add relay for safer wiring. Issue 5. Low windshield protection. To fix it, install tall windshield, 500 to 1,200. Big improvement for long rides. Front 90/80, 700 to 1,300. At rear 120/70, 1,000 to 2,000 pesos. Installation 80 to 150 per wheel. Tip: choose reputable tires like Michelin, Pirelli, or Dunlop for better wet grip. Check tire pressure every week. Clean air filter regularly. Avoid hard acceleration. Use quality gasoline. Keep CVT well maintained. Remove excess weight or bulky accessories. Small habits equals big fuel savings. For the oil is every 3,000 kilometers. Gear oil every 6,000 kilometers. CVT cleaning every 10,000 kilometers. Air filter every 12,000 kilometers. Spark plug every 12,000 to 15,000 kilometers. Drive belt every 20,000 to 25,000 kilometers. Brake pads replace when less than 2 mm. Coolant every 2 years. Follow this and your ADV 160 will last 10 more years with no major issues. Is the ADV 160 cheap to maintain in 2026? Yes, absolutely. The Honda ADV 160 is one of the most cost-efficient premium scooters in the Philippines. Cheap parts, low labor fees, strong engine reliability, affordable yearly cost, easy to maintain even at home. For Pinoy riders who want comfort plus adventure plus low maintenance, the ADV 160 is still one of the smartest choices in 2026. AutoAce fam, how much did you spend maintaining your ADV 160? Share your experience below. If this guide helped you save you money, smash like, hit subscribe, and ring the bell for more Pinoy rider tips. Ride safe, ride smart. Thanks for watching.